was just grabbing some bits and bobs.
Like conservation, wildlife, and of course the raptors that we know and love up in our British skies. So,
I mean, it's the best part of the year.
The atmosphere is brilliant, it's so incredible.
Having lots of inspirational people all together.
It united a lot of people that had common interests. We were all here for the same reason.
So many conservationists and also other zookeepers and bird of prey keepers come together.
It's about being positive for future change.
Well, I've seen sea eagles from a distance, but to see one close up was amazing.
And it's just amazing to see like all those new faces showing up.
Everyone was asked their favourite bird of prey moment.
Inspiration, excitement for wildlife and birds of prey.
And I'm not allowed to say bird of prey day.
No, but you can do, but I'll cut it out.